This video is brought to you by Tom's Die-Cast Kits and Collectibles. When placing decals, it can sometimes be a little bit frustrating as the decals themselves straight out of the kit don't really form or stick that well to the parts or pieces. So I'd like to advise using Microset. This is a setting solution that goes underneath the decal. You place it a little bit on the space where the decal needs to be placed, then put the decal on top and let it cure. You can speed up the curing process by using a heat gun or a hair dryer. This just dries it out a lot quicker and therefore also helps form the decal to shape a little bit and helps a lot with the adhesion, as it gives a bit of an adhesion promotion as well to the decal. You can also use a Q-tip to remove some of the excess decal setting solution, and then it's pretty much time to let it cure and wait until it's fully dried until you can move on.